Happy Tuesday, everyone. Today we are going to be making fall luminaries. I have fall color tissue paper that I cut out, a mason jar, 2 paintbrushes, my little tree cut out, and Mod Podge. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to open the Mod Podge. I'm just going to take the big brush right here. I'm just going to take a little bit of it. And I'm going to go on the outside. I'm just going to do a little thin layer. I'm going to grab any piece works. I'm just going to stick it on. I cut my tissue paper. Some people like to rip it. I think it's easier if you cut it. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side with the Mod Podge. Little paintbrush right here, and grab some Mod Podge and put it on like the spots where it's like sticking up. I'm just going to put it on top. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my big brush again and say just a small layer like that and go on top of the tissue paper just like this. So I'm just going to do like a nice little coat on top so everything stays. Okay, so now that that's on there, I'm going to take my tree and place it in the middle here. So I'm just gonna let that dry for a little bit. But that's what it looks like with the tree. I put some Mod Podge on that too. I'm just gonna let this sit. It's all finished drying up. This is how it's going to look. And then I'm just gonna take an LED light and I'm gonna put it inside. And then without the flash or like any lights on, this is what it's going to look like. You can set it down. Yeah. So that's your little fall luminary. I hope you enjoyed this video. The Go Packs will be available on Wednesday at 2. So please come in and get one. And then you can show us your own luminary.